take a night cruise to see the fireworks. Is that worth it? You have probably seen the Niagara Falls fireworks before, but have you ever seen those glowing boats floating in the middle of the Niagara River at night and wondered what it's actually like? Have you ever watched the fireworks from a boat off Niagara City cruises? Seeing Niagara Falls during the day is impressive. It's majestic. It's what you might have seen on a postcard. Have you taken the night cruise? Let's find out. Today I'm going to take the boat to see the fireworks. I'm pretty excited. Niagara City cruises. Look, a cafe here, which is pretty cool. Everyone has put on the red poncho. Niagara Falls hosts these fireworks almost every single night from mid-May to mid-October, transforming the entire skyline into a massive glowing playground after dark.
Firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in a labeled storage lockers located throughout the boat.
What time do the night cruises actually sell? Well, it depends on how fancy you want to get. If you book the dinner cruise, you get a longer, more leisurely evening. But if you take the firework cruise alone, the duration is about 40 minutes. Yes, we are seeing the night rainbows, even the double ones. We are getting close to the massive Horseshoe Falls. But it's weird. I have hardly felt any mist yet. Usually, by the time the boat gets this close to the waterfalls, everyone will get showered by the spray. But not tonight. It feels like we don't even need those palm shoes. Maybe the night cruise doesn't get as close to the falls as the daytime one? I'm not sure. Are we get to see the full rainbow? Do you see the top of the rainbow bridge? It's still broken, as if it's under construction. The Horseshoe Falls is really loud at this point. It's so powerful and majestic. Yet, because it's the nighttime, it's also very mysterious. What a treat to be here. Right now, we are floating in the heart of the Niagara River, surrounded by gentle currents and cool evening air. Ahead of me, the illuminated skyline of Niagara Falls, Canada, glows against the night sky, creating a scene that feels almost unreal and mysterious. The reflections dance across the river's surface. The sky appears wider than ever. From the gorge on the Canadian side, vibrant LED lights cycle through a spectrum of colors, creating a dazzling light show that beautifully illuminates the American Falls and the Horseshoe Falls. As we are getting close to 10 p.m., anticipation begins to build. In just a few moments, bursts of color will transform the night into a moving canvas. Now look up! The fireworks begin to bloom above the horizon. Brilliant colors spread across the sky before slowly fading into the night. Their reflections shimmer out water beneath us, creating a second fireworks display right at our feet. From the middle of the river, we have a unique perspective. The entire skyline becomes part of the show. framing every explosion with glowing buildings, illuminated mist, and the iconic silhouette of Niagara Falls. Do you know Niagara Falls has attracted visitors for more than 200 years? Millions of people from around the world come here annually to witness its beauty and power. Here is another fun fact. The Niagara River flows from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario, carrying an incredible amount of water every second. In fact, millions of liters of water pass over Niagara Falls every minute, making it one of the most powerful waterfalls on Earth. Imagine standing here centuries ago before electric lights illuminated the landscape. The thunder of the falls would have been the dominant sound, echoing through the darkness and guiding travelers from miles away. I have been to Niagara Falls many times, yet every visit is different. The weather changes, the lighting changes, the river changes, and tonight, these fireworks make this moment completely unique, even for a frequent visitor like myself. Some people spend their entire lives chasing extraordinary views. Yet, sometimes the most memorable experiences come from simply being present and paying attention. I am lucky to live near Niagara Falls, but every time when I visit, I still find something different, interesting, and extraordinary. That being said, is it worth it to watch the show from a cruise boat? Honestly, if we just talking about the fireworks, I kept wishing we could get a bit closer to the action. The boat felt like a little too far away. When you watch the fireworks from Queen Victoria Park or the Skyline Tower, they explode right in front of you. It's incredibly close, intense, and satisfying. Plus, Queen Victoria Park is completely free. Another great option is the Skyline Tower. A ticket there is still much cheaper than the cruise, but I enjoy the overall experience. If you watch my other videos, you might remember I have filmed fireworks from both Queen Victoria Park and the Skyline Tower. I'd link those videos at the end so you can compare the views for yourself. Let me know in the comments which view do you think looks best. Thank you so much for watching the Niagara Falls fireworks with me. I wish you a great time in Niagara Falls.